you can now convert Figma designs into fully functional WordPress websites, which is compatible with Elementor. That means inside WordPress, you can now customize this Figma design as you want using Elementor. And you know the exciting part, all of this you can do absolutely for free. To make this possible, we are going to use UiChemy that actually convert Figma designs into 100% editable WordPress websites. UiChemy is absolutely free to start. Converting Figma designs to a functional WordPress website has always been a challenging task for us. I've been running a web design agency for the last 10 years, and whenever we have to convert a Figma design into a functional WordPress website, this has always been a challenging task for us. We almost have to recreate Figma designs into functional WordPress website using something like Elementor, but recently I discovered this amazing tool that converts Figma design into a functional WordPress website with just one click. And in this video, I'm going to share this detailed step-by-step process that how you can convert your Figma designs into a functional website using UiChemy. So before we start, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on that like button as well. Our goal for this video is to reach 1000 likes. Alright, first thing that you need to do, you need to find a Figma design for your website, or maybe if you have created your own design, you can just use that. I'm going to use this Figma design. These are a collection of really amazing WordPress designs. So once you have opened your design inside Figma, now next step is to install UiChemy plugin inside Figma. To do that, you can simply just go to your plugin section inside Figma. You can find this plugin section on this bar inside your Figma design. Simply just open this, and inside you can just look for UiChemy, UiChemy. I'll leave a link to UiChemy in description, and from here you can choose this Figma to Elementor UiChemy. You can simply just choose this particular option from here, and this is how it will actually open that. And I'm already logged in, that's why it is actually showing like this to me. When you open this UiChemy plugin in Figma, this is what it will show. So now you need to provide a serial key to UiChemy to activate it, and that serial key you can get absolutely for free. Simply just click on this get UiChemy key, and it will open this pricing plan page for you. We are going to use the free plan. We are not required to attach any credit card in here, and free plan is good enough for you to use. And then you get all of these functionalities absolutely for free. You get a huge library of 1300 Figma templates, so you can just start with free plan. If you have a design agency or you're building a lot of WordPress websites, I highly recommend you trying their pro plans as well, because they're really amazing. So from here, just click on, but as we are going to use the free plan, simply just click on start for free, and next it will present this screen to you. Simply just click on free download, and just like that, it will open this order successful page, and in here it will give you two things. One is a WordPress plugin that we can actually simply just click on this download button in here, and then we're gonna use this WordPress plugin later on our WordPress website. And next thing, the most important thing, it will give you this license key in here. So you can simply just copy this license key from here and come back to Figma and just paste this license key in here. Click on activate, and now it will just check for it, and now it will activate our plugin. Once it is activated, now we can actually start using it. They have a very detailed on-screen and interactable tutorial that you can actually explore. You can simply just proceed with all of these options, and it will just walk you through all of these different options inside their Figma plugin. So after activation and after following the tutorial, when you open your Figma plugin for the first time, this is how this UiChemy plugin will look like. They have 1300 free templates, so you can choose any of these templates, and you can actually build fully functional WordPress website just from using these templates. They have this really nice landing page, so I'll just choose this particular landing page, and then we're actually going to export this to WordPress. And now this is going to be super easy to bring this design into my WordPress website. This is going to be absolutely simple to take this design to our WordPress website. Okay, so once you have selected your design, what you need to do next, you need to simply just click on this convert button, and in here there are two modes to convert this Figma design. One is copy mode, another one is import mode. So let's suppose we are just going to use this copy mode. So in this copy mode, there are two options. One is optimize and copy, and one is express copy. And similarly in import mode, there is optimize and convert, and then there is an express convert mode. So let's just go with express convert mode. I'll simply just click on this express convert button, and now it has just converted this design. And now you can either download this JSON file or just go to this live import option, which is super simple. Simply just click on this live import button, and now you can just add your website in here, the website where you want to import this design into. So as we are in free plan, we can only add one site, but if you have multiple websites, you can simply just delete this current website. I'll just simply delete that, and I'll just try to add that website again just to show you. So now before we continue on this step, what I'll do, I'll just go to WordPress, log in into my website, and then show you that how you can actually import this design into WordPress now. So now I'm in WordPress. If you're new to WordPress, I have a separate video for you, but this process is so simple that you don't have to be a WordPress expert. So all we have to do now, we have to install that UiChemy plugin that we just downloaded from this page. So there is this download button. Simply just click on this download button and then you got your UiChemy plugin in here. Next, inside WordPress, just go to your plugins section, and in here you need to install that UiChemy plugin. So just click on add new plugin, simply just click on upload, and then just drag and drop that plugin in here, and then simply just click on install. I have already installed this plugin, so I won't click on this install button, but this is how simple it is. Next, just go to your installed plugin, and this is where you can find your UiChemy plugin installed in here. You can find this UiChemy option on left side of your menu. Simply just click on that, and now you can find that UiChemy has been installed on your WordPress website. Next, just go to settings of UiChemy. Just simply just click on settings tab, and in here we got site URL and we got security token. We need to just provide this information inside this Figma plugin of UiChemy. So I'll just go back to settings of my UiChemy plugin. I'll copy this security token from here, and I'll come back to Figma and I'll paste this token in here inside this UiChemy plugin. I'll simply then just click on this connect button in here. And now it has verified and connected our website. That means our connection has been established. Now you can import this Figma design as a simple WordPress page or an Elementor template. So we are going to use Elementor template option because this will actually give us all the freedom to completely customize this design inside WordPress. So I'll just choose this Elementor template option. Next, I'll just choose a standard template option, and then I'll simply just click on this import all button, and now it will just start importing. And just like that, within less than a second, literally, it has just imported that inside our WordPress. And now we can actually access that from here. You can simply just click on this button, maybe just click on open button, and now it will open. So now, as I know that for the first time when you open that, it will look very ugly. And let's just like open this inside Elementor. So once you have opened that, simply just go to your edit with Elementor option, and in here just go to your settings of your Elementor. Simply just go to the setting icon in here, and from here just choose page layout option, and then you can either choose Elementor canvas or you can choose the Elementor template option. And right now you can see there is this header section which looks a bit weird because we don't have our logo right now, so that's why it is looking a bit weird. So let's just choose anything as a logo. I'll just click on select, and now our logo has been selected, and now you can see this entire Figma design is in here as a fully functional WordPress website with Elementor compatibility. That means now I can actually simply customize this design as I want. I can change any of these texts. I can add a new section in here. I can add new Elementor design in here. I can add maybe a new separate block from Elementor. I can do simply whatever I want. And then if you have never used Elementor, it is as simple that you can simply just click on publish right now, and now it will just publish our website. And now you can simply just click on this preview changings button, and it will open our website, and it will just show all of the changings that it has done. So our design is right here in front of us with all of the images. All we had to do, we just had to like add a logo in here, but we already have a header in here. We already got this really nice sections. All of these sections have been imported from Figma as it is. So this is how simple it is. You might be confused in this process at some point. So let me just quickly recall all of the steps again for you so you won't get confused. So first thing that you're supposed to do, just choose a Figma design. If you already have one, that's great. Next thing, just install this UiChemy plugin, which is Figma to Elementor converter. Simply just click on that, and then you can simply just sign up using UiChemy. To sign up, you can just go to uichemy.com/pricing page, and then simply just click on start for free. Make sure that you choose Elementor. Just click on start for free. Then it will provide you this free plugin for WordPress, and also it will provide you this license key. Just use this license key inside your Figma plugin. After that, just choose either copy mode or import mode. After that, you can just optimize your Figma design to import. Just simply click on express convert. Simply just click on this express convert button, and now you can just choose your page that you want to actually convert. You can choose multiple pages if you want. Then simply just click on confirm. It will just convert all of that within just a second. Then simply just go to your live import. Just connect your site in here. To connect site, you will need this site URL and security token from your WordPress website. Once you will install your UiChemy plugin, you can just like go to your settings tab, and you can find these details in here. And after that, you can just choose each of these pages as maybe Elementor pages or maybe as WordPress page. Just choose that, then click on next, and then simply just click on import all, and just like that it will import all of this design and maybe like multiple pages directly into your WordPress website. And this is just as simple as it can be. It can never be more simple than this to convert Figma designs into functional WordPress websites which are compatible with Elementor, with other WordPress site builders. But this is just like revolutionary. To be honest, if you're a freelancer or maybe a UI UX designer, you can use this plugin and then you can start offering service of fully functional WordPress websites, because you're not required to recreate your Figma design in WordPress anymore. So you can just like use this plugin and save a lot of time. I hope you really liked this video. If you did, just let me know in comment section. I'll see you next video. Bye bye.